guys, in this video we're going to be going over my second year of my hair journey. You guys asked for this, so I'm going to deliver and show you exactly what you need to know and what you should be looking out for. Before we get started, if you've been growing out your hair for a little while and you need a little bit of extra help, you don't know what type of routine you should be having, don't worry, I got you. If you click the link in the description, there is a free hair routine template telling you what to do from day 1 to day 7 of managing your hair to ensure you get that quick hair growth. Like I said, it's completely free, but I'm actually kind of lying to you. I do charge something. It's very simple though. All you gotta do is hit the like button. I don't make the rules, but I'm just saying the guys in corporate say you gotta like the like button. So did I just say? But let's hop straight into this. So I started growing my hair in September of 2019. This is my hair October 9th, 2020. You can see my hair goes all the way down to my nose, kind of like that round part of my nose. You know, so that's some good hair growth considering that hair grows on average half an inch per month. So we should be around 6 inches right now. Pause. Now, this super zesty video is from November 28th. Okay, so it's about a month. I got my hair in braids right now. So you can kind of see that there's a lot of shrinkage when it comes to braids and twists and stuff like that. So whereas my hair was going down to my nose, it's like barely above my eyebrow right now. But you know, we're really just using the protective style just to prevent breakage, just prevent manipulation, all that good stuff. Yeah. Now this is my hair December 30th, 2020. This is just after I took the braids out. And I can't even really tell you if there's like some decent length from this. Like, cause I'm pulling it at a weird angle. Why would you pull it from this angle, bro? Come on, brother. But yeah, you can see the hair is hair, and it's only been 2 months, so you could really just expect to see like an inch of hair growth, but I'm pulling it at a weird angle, so I can't really tell you. This is January. I want you to take a moment, pause for a sec. Look at those curls. You wish your curls looked like that, don't you? You really wish your curls looked like that. I'm gonna replay the video for myself. Look at that. That's slow motion. Bouncy. Healthy. See, this is why you need to follow. This is why you need to follow and subscribe. Because if you want hair that look like that, if you want the girls to be playing in your hair like that. Now, mind you, I don't let any girl touch these curls, bro. This the merchandise. This the money maker. All right, you can't just be letting any girl with their dirty bongy hands be playing in your hair. That's a life lesson. That's a life lesson right there. This is an inspirational, motivational channel. I listen to your big bro. Fast forward into February. This is after my first trim. So I got my first trim February 24th, 2021. This is my hair completely blown out. Pause. And yeah, they took off like a good 1/4 of an inch to like 1/2 inch. So not too much, but definitely if you're growing out your hair, you're going to want to get trims. I'm not going to say to set a specific like time frame on it, because if you're getting your hair trimmed every 3 months, how you going to expect your hair to grow? Like, let's be for real. But yeah, got my first trim. They took off a little bit of length, and this is it, just like completely stretched out. And it got some shape to it. I'm not even gonna cap. It be looking kind of cool. My mirror is dirty as hell though. What's funny is I'm making fun of my mirror, and my mirror's still dirty. It's not the same mirror, but you know, some things never change. Unless my mom is watching this video, then I am a very clean, upstanding young man. Fast forward all the way to April. Now, I'm showing you my hair in its natural afro state, right? And you can see, based off of looking at the afro, you can't really tell the length. You could not tell that my hair goes below my nose. And the reason I put this photo in here is because this is shrinkage, guys. If your hair is healthy, you're gonna have shrinkage. It's just, you gotta accept it. It's a piece of life, right? You gotta accept it. Stop fighting it, right? But yeah, you really wouldn't be able to tell that my hair is that long. I used to sell those hoodies. That was a fire hoodie though. That was a fire hoodie. If you were able to get one of those hoodies when I first started selling them, brother, you are lucky. Because those shits very expensive. Fast forward to May, I got box braids again, and you can see they're hanging past. I don't remember what the first photo looked like, but they're hanging past my eyes now. I don't think they. Hold on, let me go back. Let me go back. Yeah, I think they were just over. They were just over my eyebrows when I first got them, but now they're hanging past, and they're doing it with ease too. Like they're like, it was like by my eyebrow. I'm not even looking at the camera. It was like by my eyebrow when I was first in that first video that I showed you guys, but now it's like past my eye. And that's really good, especially with shrinkage. This is my hair in June. You see, I did a little twist out. I remember this time. I twisted my hair for the first time. It took me like 7 hours, and then I never did it again. And then I took it out, and the sunshine was hitting, bro. You know how it is. You know when black people find the sunshine, and then we just don't know how to act. That was me. I was like, dang, that's really hitting. It really hitting. But yeah, that's how my curls look. Like I said, shrinkage, because it went from past my eyes to now it's barely past my forehead. Okay, so this is July 9th, 2021. This is a little bit of a length check for you guys. Like, I didn't pull it straight down, but you can see how long the hair is. And that was from October, right? Jesus, don't let me count these months. October, November, December. What? No way I was about to say August. Sir, you went to school. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, so that was about 9 months. 9 months. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I just left school, you know. Okay, so this video is from August 17th, 2021. This is me pulling my hair down after those braids. I think I kept those in for quite a while. And you can see, from me starting out that year of it being by my nose, it's past my lips now. It's past my lips. And I feel like I should say pause for that. Is that toxic masculinity? Is that insecurity? I don't know. But I feel like that warrants a pause. I need to do some deep introspection. Comment down below if that warrants a pause. I know I'm not tripping. But anyway, yeah. It goes down almost. Is it past my chin? It might be if I just pull it like really hard. But yeah, some definite growth. And now we have circled back to October. This is October 29th, 2021. We're skipping over September because I literally didn't take any photos or videos for some reason. And yeah, my hair is in cornrows now. So this is how long my hair reaches in the back. So you could kind of just estimate. I feel like there was a lot done in the second year. Like it wasn't like a whole bunch of new changes, because it's not like I unlocked the new hairstyle like during my first year when I was able to get puffs or something for the first time. But I feel as though a lot was done in terms of just like what I was able to achieve in terms of length. Like it was just calm. It was a calm year, and the hair got longer. I feel what was that time? So that was. Yeah, COVID was still in effect. Dang, I really speak about COVID like it was like a war time. It's like before COVID, 700 BC. So yeah, guys, that was my second year of my hair journey. I hope you guys learned a lot, and you know the deal. If you want to see the third year of my hair journey, because we're on year 4 now, and we cooking, right? But if you want to see year 3, make sure you comment down below, and that you hit that like button. I told you earlier in the video, don't make me raise my hand at you. But yeah, if you like this video, you definitely gonna like this one. Like, you really gonna like this one. So I advise you check it out. That's all for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.